Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters, guest, and our man, Sam. You know, when I was listening to his speech today, somebody came into my mind, and it was Bicas Jingran. Have you ever heard of Bicas Jingran? No. He was the world champion in public speaking in 2002. The title of his speech was, "The Answer is Inside." Now, I was reminded of him because from the very start of his speech, there was laughter. Laughter in the middle, laughter in the end. And yet, his speech was very profound. Now, Sam, I'm happy to know that he is one of the Toastmasters who has improved a lot. I heard him the first time he spoke. His accent, an Indian accent, was very strong. Now he has neutralized it. He is a lot clearer in his enunciation, and that is very important in public speaking. Because no matter how good your speech is, if most of the time you are not going to be understood, then you speak for nothing. Now today, he has proven that. Now, there are a few suggestions that I would like to make. Now, first of all, in order for the speech to be smoothly followed, it should be properly structured. We start with a hook. You know what a hook is? A hook is something to grab the attention of the audience. And he did that today with his joke. And that was good. Now, but what he failed to do, for me personally, was the background information of the topic, the main idea of that he is going to give us. Now, in the introduction, there should be a background information that will lead you to the thesis statement. And the thesis statement is practically the one-sentence summary of what you are going to do in your speech. And then develop it, which you did actually. Because from what I gathered from his speech was, he was poking fun at meetings. And part of his joke was he defined the personality, the characteristic of each one who participated. And I thought he did very well. Now, another thing that I would like to suggest would be, again, further improvement in the enunciation. You are almost there, and with constant practice, you are going to get it. It is a skill, and a skill can be acquired, and it can be developed, Mr.